In front of me is LENOVO Idea Tab Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to Hit Apps. Then choose Permission Manager and select one of your device's features you wish to manage. Now tap on one of your apps, click on one of those options and go back. But you can also select CO permissions at the bottom of this list and manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!